let's get started.
So these are the materials: water, basin, recycled paper, cardboard, scissor, glue, marker, and gaw-gaw. So you need to cut the paper into strips like these. Like thin, like small stuff. Now we're gonna draw a shape of a horse onto the cardboard. This is the horse that they draw. Now we're gonna cut it. So after cutting the horse, you should have two cardboard horses, and we need to glue it with this. With this cardboard thing. To put it in the middle, so like that. After putting the cardboards together, you should fill it with paper, and it should look like this. So what you have to do is mix the gaw-gaw in water, and it should look like this.
Let's soak the paper strip into the gaw-gaw.
Now let's start putting the wet paper strips to the horse figure.
Okay, so let's just take one. Here, gonna put the paper in the soaked water, the gaw-gaw, and then Kite will get it.
"24 hours later."
After 24 hours, the paper has dried. Now the paper horse should look like this. Now let's paint it. Now that I am done painting the horse, I'm gonna add the eyes with this pen and white paint. So let's go. So here is my paper mache horse. It looks like a puppy, but not so bad for our first try. So I hope you like it, and if you do, smash that like button, and always remember, fly high and stay strong.
Bravo!